Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the what sign convention in mirrors. So what is sign convention? This we have already discussed in our previous class. Once again I repeat it. The first rule of the sign convention is that all the distance is measured from the pole of the mirror. Means this is the pole of the mirror and we measure all the distance from the pole of the mirror. This is the first rule of the sign convention, whether you take concave mirror or you take convex mirror. Second rule states that the distance that we measure along the direction of the incident ray is always taken as positive. Means if the distance is present in the direction of the incident ray, then this distance is considered as positive distance. Okay, but if the distance is measured in the direction which is opposite to the direction of the incident ray, then this is taken as negative. Means here we see that this is your concave mirror, okay, and this is your object. So object is present beyond C, that means in between infinity and C, and we know that the direction of the incident ray is always from left to right, okay. So this is the direction of the incident ray, okay, but we know we always measure the distance from pole of the mirror. So if any object which is present in front of the mirror, so this distance is always having this direction, okay. That means if any object present in front of the mirror, suppose this AB is the object which is present in front of the mirror, so this distance is always measured from the pole of the mirror whose direction is like that, and this is the direction of the incident ray. So here we see that if anything's present in front of the mirror, so its distance is always opposite to the direction of the incident ray. Clear? So when anything is in front of the mirror, then that distance is always considered as negative distance. Okay, now this is your convex mirror. Here we see that suppose the object is present in front of mirror. Once again we know the direction of the incident is from left to right. That means the object incident ray will always come from left to right, and this is the pole of the mirror. So up to how much distance the object is present from the mirror, this will be measured from the pole. So suppose we measure the distance of the object, again we see that these two directions are opposite to each other. So in that condition, whether it is convex or concave, the object is always placed in front of the mirror, so object distance is always negative whether it is concave or convex, because the object is always placed in front of the mirror, which is always means whose distance is always in the opposite direction of the incident ray. So this is the first rule of the sign convention. Second thing is that this is your principal axis in concave mirror and this is in the convex mirror, okay. So if you place the object just above the principal axis, that means this is the principal axis, and here we see that the object is placed above the principal axis. So the object which is placed above the principal axis, height is always considered as positive. Clear? Okay, but here we see that the image is formed below the principal axis, so the height of the image is considered as negative. Understood? The third rule says that if the object is placed, or we may say that the height of the anything which is placed above the principal axis, this is considered as positive height, and the height of the things which is placed below the principal axis, this is considered as the negative height. So in case when real image is formed, so we know that the real image is always inverted, so height of the object is taken as positive and height of the image is taken as negative because it is made below the principal axis. Okay, so these are the three main rules regarding with the sign convention. What is the first rule? The first rule says that all the distance is measured from the pole of the mirror, whether it is concave or convex. Second rule says that all the distance which is measured along the direction of the incident ray is taken as positive, and the distance which is measured in the direction opposite to the direction of the incident ray is taken as negative. So in case of the concave mirror, the object distance is also negative. Okay, since concave mirror forms the real image, so the image is also formed what in front of the mirror, so image distance is also negative. Where the image formed, we take the focus of that side. So in case of concave mirror, the image is formed what in front of the concave mirror, so the focal length is also negative. Okay, since the object is placed above the principal axis, so height of the object is taken as what positive. Since concave mirror always form the real image, so the image is formed below the principal axis, so height of the image is taken as negative. Okay, these things are very helpful while solving the numerical problem of the what light. Okay, now we see in convex mirror, since the object is placed in front of the mirror, so u is also negative in the convex mirror. Since the concave mirror always forms what virtual image which is behind the mirror. Here we see that this is the image. Okay, so you measure the distance of the image from the pole of the mirror. So here we see that the direction of the image distance and the direction of the incident ray both are what in the same direction. That's why the image distance is considered as positive here. Okay, focus is what positive here, because the image is formed behind the mirror, so we take the positive of behind the mirror. So focus is also positive. Height of the object is positive because we always place the object above the principal axis. Okay, and height of the image is also positive because here we see that in case of the convex mirror, the image is also formed above the principal axis, which is virtual, which is erect. Erect means seedha. So in case of the convex mirror, the height of the image is also positive, height of the object is also positive, focal length also positive, v also positive, which is the image distance, and u is negative. Clear? In case of concave mirror, u is negative, v is negative, f is negative, height of the object is positive because it is above the principal axis, and height of the image is negative. So this all was about the sign convention. You can also note that what is symbolized as hi. This is the height of the image. Ho stand for the height of the object. A small f indicate the focal length. U indicate the object distance. V indicate the image distance. So this all was about the sign convention. Thank you.